Harbor Freight has done it again for me. An impressive tool I've never used before, a surface cleaner for a pressure washer. Now I started this driveway just now, but I had to film this too, just to show you how well this works. Look at that. Like, it's night and day. Let me flip this around so you can really see what's going on here. Before, after. Crazy, right? So I looked this up. This is a 14-inch surface cleaner. It's 3,300 PSI from Harbor Freight. And flip this over. Basically, you have like a little brush here, and this will spin around as it sprays, cleaning the entire surface. And I just went over this really quick, but you can see that is ridiculous. Paired this up with the Predator 3200 PSI pressure washer, performing flawlessly. You can watch my other full video showing the entire process for this driveway, but I just had to show you this really quick. I want to do a quick little demonstration of it right now. All right, we're gonna get this fired up. This is just like using a vacuum. You're just going back and forth. I'm gonna fire this up. You're gonna see how quickly this will get rid of this dirt right here. I don't know about you, but that's impressive to me. This is my first time using this ever. Now you do have to go over a few spots again, but this has probably not been cleaned for 20 years. And you saw how quickly that just removes all that nastiness that is buried into the concrete on the surface. Great product from Harbor Freight. Go check it out. Lots more videos coming soon. In the full video, I'm gonna probably put up right here at the top or somewhere that you can click the link. Thanks for watching. See you soon.